Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. You can see here it's a nice canvas, and we're going to draw a very nice scenery. In the beginning, we're going to draw, you can see a curved line from left to the right, and another curved line. You can see a little bit ups and downs here. All right, drawing up here. Okay, and you can see there's going to be a house in these positions. Okay, so let's see the pitch group here. Okay, so let's make it a little bit smooth, and you can see the curve line continues to the other side. Let's draw few lines like this, which is parallel to one another. Okay, and this continues for the rest of the parts. And the taller trees is going to be like this one. Some trees are taller, some trees are going to be less taller. So you can see the graphics. Okay, alrighty, little bit pointy on the top portion. After we draw the trees and pointy parts, then we're going to draw the hills, which is behind the greeneries here. Usually these trees are the pine trees. Awesome. So these pointy parts are used to be like the hills here. Okay, so this is just continuing to the left, to the right parts, pointy on top. Some portions you can put the graphics of the shades and shadow, which makes it looking like the 3D. Okay, so these are the hills, and some other greeneries behind the pointed trees. You can see just putting some curved lines with lots of ups and downs. We're going to make it a little bit darker with the plain strokes of the dark pencils. Usually you can use the 3B or more, like 4B or 6B pencils. Those works very well. And along these lines, make it more bold. You can see making it more darker. And to the edge, you are just putting some shadows here, shades and shadows. Awesome. Also for these portions. Okay, all right, so for this pieced group we're going to put a little bit more shades. Okay, and for the lower portion we're just putting few shades to the graphics of the log cabin. So usually lots of vertical logs you can put here, and you can see the doors pure black indeed, and the windows here to the front side, another window you can see. Okay, for the water body, just making the graphics for the water. You can see the few reflections on the water, the trees just oscillating from the top portion. To define it as a water, you can put a boat on the banks. Okay, two sticks for parking, and you can see the reflections. Pitch roof here a little bit more vibrating. See a nice graphics, very simple scenery. So the video is almost complete, drawing is almost complete, simple scenery. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, see you in our next episodes. Hope to see you in our next sceneries too. Stay tuned, do practice at home, and the drawing is going to be better. Every time you do practice, every time it's going to be better. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.